Losing weight can be a long, ongoing process, and it is too easy to throw in the towel, so to speak. This is primarily due to frustrations because of slow results or the seeming lack of results. Keep your sanity in your weight loss goals, and learn how to take the little strides to achieve your long-term weight loss goals. If you'd like a proven system that can help you lose 10 pounds in less than 2 weeks, click the link in my description below. So, how can you lose weight without losing your mind? Step 1. Make a plan. Do you have a plan? People sometimes get confused by plans and goals. The end result goal in your case is weight loss. The plan is the means you are going to use to get there. While you will undoubtedly have short-term goals and a long-term goal, they are not your plan. A plan would consist of, for example, eating breakfast, walking a half hour per day, not eating after 8 p.m., and eliminating snacks from your daily routine. These are plans that can help you reach your goal of weight loss. If you've tried certain things before and they didn't work because of your lack of commitment, then try loosening the plan a little for something that you could easily achieve without pushing yourself too hard. If you have a plan of walking or running 1 hour a day, but you think that you might give up too easily on that, shoot for 15 minutes a day. And once you've made the 15 minutes, push yourself for 15 minutes more. You're much better off making a plan for 15 minutes of walking a day and doing it, than making a plan of walking 1 hour a day and never leaving the couch. Step 2. Execute the plan. The greatest weight loss plan in the world will do no good if you don't use it. That's where so many people fail, is that they want to lose weight but aren't willing to take any steps to actually meet their goals. It's like someone saying, "I want to make $5,000 this month," but doesn't have a job and never leaves the couch to look for one. A job is no more going to show up at your door and give you $5,000 for sitting. Then, you are going to lose weight if you continue to do nothing about it? As was stated above, if your plan is not something you think you can commit to, loosen up your plan to something that is feasible given your lifestyle and situation. Step 3. See the plan through. Keep on keeping on. Stay focused on your weight loss goals, and don't give up. It is not the easiest thing getting started, but it is a proven fact that it takes 21 days to form a habit. Keep your plan up for a few weeks and you'll be well on your way to your weight loss goals. By simply creating a plan, working a plan and staying with it, you'll soon begin to see results with your weight loss goals. Sometimes it only takes us seeing the start of results to get us really motivated to take the weight off. For more details, visit our channel. Thanks for watching.